everybody, and welcome to another video. Welcome to the trials, welcome back to the tribulations, welcome to my hair journey. My name is Avery Grace, and yes, I know I look a little bit crazy, which is quite weird. It's starting to become a bit of a habit for me now. Not really, but anyways, today's video is just going to be me showing you how I detangle my hair. Not showing you how, more especially what I decided to now use. I've been on the search for aloe vera. Anybody that is close to me or knows me knows how much I wanted an aloe vera gel. I wanted aloe vera leaf. You know, I've tried so many other tactics, but you know, it's a bit difficult to get it in Cape Town, and I don't know why. But before I go into the video, how do you like my new background? Well, it's not really a background, but more so a gallery wall, because my whole face is in this camera and I'm literally hiding the A up there. But yeah, I'm trying something new. I hope this works and I hope you like it as well. And because I got a ring light. Ooh, just got a ring light. I've got a ring light. So because I have a ring light, now that means I have a proper stand and I can literally switch up and I don't always have to be up here. Do you understand? So I had a twist out on my hair. So let's just get into the video. So I had a twist out, right? And not a twist out, but a mini twist. I had done mini twists just as a protective style, and I was like, girl, it's time, because some of them were starting to unravel. So this is how my hair looked. It's always your left, yeah. So this is how my hair looked prior to this bird's nest. But yeah, now I'm gonna try and detangle my hair because I want to try something new. If it does happen, it will be part of this video. If I decide against it, it will not be a part of this video. All you'll get to see is me detangling my hair. Like I said in the previous video, so I'm going, okay, so while I part my hair, I'm gonna let you guys watch how I prepared the aloe vera leaf. Just a quick disclaimer, I've never done this before. I've never used aloe vera in its natural form to detangle my hair. I've always used things like African Pride to detangle my hair. So today we're gonna try this. So I have this beautiful aloe vera leaf. I'm just gonna cut. Do you see that? Oh my god. Okay. So I have a hand blender, so I'm just gonna put it in here, in this blender right here, this container. So I'm just going to use a spoon to scoop it out. Oh my god. Oh, this is heaven. If you get easily grossed out, I wouldn't advise watching this. But look at that. Oh, heaven, I tell you. So this is about how much I have in there. Not really a lot, but this is enough. It's okay, and you need a bit of water so that you don't dilute it. I think this is a lot as well, so I'm just gonna add just a tiny bit, not a lot. You don't need a lot of water. And then ta-da! Okay, so then you will need, like I said, I'm using a hand blender. So what Natural said is you just need to pulse it, so not like a lot. You don't need to go hard, just like that. I don't know how to keep my hand off the frame. You see the foam? The foam over here shows that the gel is being released. Let me talk it. I know what I'm doing. Okay, I think we are done. Here we go. Up next is transferring the contents into an applicator. So we need to drain the thing. So it would be advisable to get like a proper pantyhose. I just had to makeshift one because I've been cutting at this one. So we just have to see if this is gonna work.
Make it juicy.
And ta-da! We got ourselves some aloe vera gel. So I'm just gonna pour it in here. There's some oil. I don't mind. I'm gonna pour it in here because it has this applicator, and then we're gonna use that to apply the gel on our hair. So I'll be right back to show you how I use this on my hair. Okay, so now that we're done, if you've watched my video where I try African Pride, the Moisture Miracle range, I show you how I use their Aloe Prepoo, and that one is normally used without any water. Now this is a back room, not even a back room, my room, whipped up from my kitchen concoction. It has none of the ingredients besides aloe that the Moisture Miracle Prepoo has, but from using it, I realized that I didn't need to use water, but I don't know. So this is how much gel I actually. This is how much gel I actually got. Like I said, this has some oil that I used like for a hot oil treatment. I'll just mix it in there. But this is how much gel that I received, and a bit watery. And there we go. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on my roots first, and I'm going to do a voiceover of listing the benefits of aloe vera. Okay, so the main cause of your hair or your natural hair actually not growing could be due to your pores and your hair follicles on your scalp being clogged by dead skin and product buildup as well. That's a major one. So aloe vera contains enzymes that actually remove the dead cells from the scalp, allowing for your hair to grow freely. The enzymes also help to give your scalp a boost in stimulation and balance out the hair's pH to help retain moisture. It's like a magic natural ingredient for replenishing the scalp. Along with the repairing enzymes, aloe vera is also packed with amino acids, vitamins, and minerals to help nourish your skin and your hair. So you can buy the ingredient in its in a liquid form, and it is a great way to moisturize your hair. Like I said, I mainly used it from products that do incorporate it already, but I do know you can get aloe vera juice on its own. You don't have to go this route. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching the video, and I'm out.
Make it juicy.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the front in the on camera. So I didn't use water this side, and it detangled. It did its magic, but I figured out I needed more. So I'm gonna use water on this side. And the reason why I've been looking for like an aloe vera leaf is because I love any product that has aloe. Any product that has aloe is guaranteed to have your curls pop. Like aloe vera is the girl that she thinks she is. As you can see, my hair is severely like tangled. See?
Make it juicy.
Okay, so this is my hair. I'm done now. I'm gonna try and do the other side and use water on this side as well, just to give it a bit more loving, because I still have some of the juice left. I do have some of the juice left, so I'm just gonna quickly use that. But with this cup of detangling, this is how much hair I've lost so far. So yeah, like I said, if I do attempt to blow dry my hair, I will show you guys. But if not, this may be the end of the video.